All right, Algebra 1 students, let's look at Unit 2, Lesson 5, which is equations and their graphs. So we're going to be looking at the equations and the graphs that go along with them. So there's 3 goals here. They're longer, so take your time, pause if necessary to write these down, and here they are. I can use graphing technology to graph linear equations and identify solutions to the equations. So we're going to look at how to use graphing technology such as Desmos to find solutions. I understand how the coordinates of points on the graph of a linear equation are related to the equation. So all the individual points on the graph, how are they part of the equation? When given the graph of a linear equation, I can explain the meaning of the points on the graph in terms of the situation it represents. So if we have a problem that has been graphed and it's talking about dollars and hours, do we know which point is talking about the money, and or what number in the point is talking about money, what number in the point is talking about the hours? So it's going to be important that we can decipher all of that. All right, we're still working with the 2 words that we've been working with. So we have constraint, which is just our limits on the numbers, and our model, which is, in this one, we're going to focus a lot on the equation part, the mathematical part, and the graphical part, and how they kind of connect. So they're the same thing, just in 2 different forms. All right, your warm-up for this class, for this situation, is looking at 4 different graphs and deciding which one doesn't belong. Remember, when you do this, pick which one doesn't belong, and then write down your reason why you chose the one that you did. So here we have A with our labels, and there's our blue line. And then we have B with our labels and our blue line. C, our labels and our blue dotted line. And D, our labels and our blue line. So look at the graphs. Which one, when you look at it, does it automatically go, okay, that one's different, I don't think it belongs with the rest? And please write down why your brain went there. All right, bring that to class tomorrow, and that will start our discussion. Thanks.